Today's video is last minute easy Christmas crafts video, so let's get started. Hi guys, Namaste, welcome to AnkiNish Creations. So first we are going to make this notebook greeting card, and for this I have this plain notebook, mini notebook. So I'm placing a rough paper inside the cover of the notebook and I'm painting the black background first. So I prefer giving notebook greeting card instead of a greeting card. Greeting card are also good and very thoughtful, but notebook greeting card makes a greeting card a useful gift as well. So try it out this time. You can make a notebook greeting card instead of a normal greeting card and make it useful as well. So I'm drawing a triangle shape with pencil first, and I'm dividing my triangle into 3 parts, and now I'm going to use this Fevicryl 3D neon liners to add some design into my Christmas tree triangle. So I'm basically going to make a Christmas tree kind of, but in a very Indian way with neon 3D liners. I got this comment to make something related to Christmas using Fevicryl 3D neon liners. I hope this might be useful for you. So yeah, just create whatever design you like with neon 3D liners and voila, your notebook greeting card will be ready. And after finishing with the neon liners, I'm adding some fabric glue and I will be sticking this gota flower on top of the Christmas tree to like highlight the Christmas tree more. Instead of star, I'm sticking this gota flower. You can stick any other decorative item, and here is our notebook greeting card ready. It looks so colorful and so pretty, and it is a useful gift as well. Second DIY idea is making a mini Christmas tree using a pine cone and a very small terracotta pot which I got from Itsy Bitsy long time ago, and I'm using this now. So I'm taking out this mini cute terracotta pot and I'm going to stick some pom-pom on the border of the terracotta pot using some red, green and white pom-poms to match the Christmas tree. And once I'm done sticking all the pom-poms using hot glue, this is how the mini terracotta pot looks like. It looks so beautiful. And now I'm going to place my pine cone on top of it. I don't want to stick the pine cone because it stays nicely as it is. And now I'm going to spray some artificial snow spray on top of the pine cone to make it look like more Christmassy and festive-y. Instead of this, you can also paint your pine cone using some silver color or spray some glitter on top of it with some glue. And this is how my mini Christmas tree using pine cone looks like. I love it. And I hope you liked this video and these 2 easy, simple, last minute DIYs. Hit that like button if you did. Comment down below your thoughts on it. And I'll see you soon. Bye. I'll see you soon, really soon, with my Christmas decor in my house and around Dublin. So bye. Love being creative.